So now let's see how we can add and select shapes inside of Pixlr Designer. So for that, I need to go around and get the shape option right here. So I'm just going to go around under text right here and then simply add a new text and click somewhere outside, and I get the arrange option over here, as you can see on the left. And here you can see that one of the option is shapes. So let me just go around and click on shape right here, and a shape is inserted, as you can see, just like this. I can resize this and place the shape wherever I want. I can also go around and change around the type of the shape right here by going around and by clicking on the rounded rectangular shape right here, and I can change it around to a rounded rectangle. Similarly, I can go around and change around this to a circle and even choose a custom shape right here from the list, as you can see right here. And there's different shapes as you can go around and apply right here, as you can see. What you can also do is you can go around and change around the opacity, as you can see right here, and change around the transform properties like rotate, just like this, and utilize the X and Y or Y values right here to change around the size and the width and height of the object as well. So that is what you have over here, just like this as well. And that is how you can add and select shapes inside a Pixlr Designer. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.